Thank you for buying this 22135 clear corner protector from Fixture Displays. This unit is very easy to apply. You basically remove the release liner and pressure apply to your countertop or tabletop. The dimensions of this unit is about 1.6 by 1.6 by 0.6 inches. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Remember, this corner sticks onto the top as well as sides of your table or countertop. So remove all 4 pieces of a release liner, then apply onto your corner. Certainly, before you do so, you want to clean your corners thoroughly so there's no dust or debris to hinder the adhesion effect. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other type of corner protections, as well as other lines of products we have to offer for consumers, businesses, and schools and churches. If you have a custom requirement, we love the opportunity to supply you. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays. Do remember, like us, subscribe. Remember, sell feedback and product review.